Remainder when 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. This is 9 ones are 9. It is 2. 2 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. Till here clear, right? Method 2. Method 2. By using negative remainder. If I use negative remainder 2 power 3 when divided by 9, 8 by 9, it is minus 1. So if I divide 11 power 11 by 3, 3 4s are 12, minus 1, negative remainder minus 1, positive remainder 2. So 11 power 11 is 3k plus 2. Till here clear, right? 3k plus 2. Why am I not doing negative remainder? Why? Because here the nature of k needs to be determined. 11 is an odd number. Odd power anything is odd. 2 is an even number. Odd plus even only should give you odd. 3 is already odd. Odd into odd only will give you odd. So the nature of k is odd. Again I am explaining. 11 power 11 is 3k plus 2. 11 is an odd number. Odd power any number is an odd number. 2 is an even number. Odd plus even only will give you odd number. 3 is always also an odd number. Odd into odd only will give you. K is an odd number. So this is nothing but 2 power 3k plus 2 divided by 9. This is remainder of 2 power 3 power k into 2 square divided by 9. 8 by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 4. Positive remainder is plus 5. Positive remainder is plus 5. Why am I not doing negative remainder? Only difference between method 1 and method 2 is, in method 2, I need to find the nature of k. I need to find and say the answer. 22 power 26 power 28 divided by 5. Don't use pen, sir. Please drop your pens. Let us solve this question orally. 22 power 26 power 28 divided by 25. 5 4s are 20. 2 remainder. Which power of 2 when divided by 5 I will get 1? These 27, sir. 2 power 4 divided by 5 is 1. So this will become 27 power 28 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28 minus 1, 1. So this will become 2 power 4k plus 1 divided by 5. 16. 2 divided by 5 is 2.